Even before announcing the inquiry, the government preemptively defended its decision.
Invoking the Emergencies Act was a decision that was taken only after careful consideration.
The public inquiry will be given powers to summon witnesses under oath and force them to provide necessary documents. It will examine circumstances that led to the convoy protests, which gridlocked downtown Ottawa for weeks and choked off traffic at Canada-US border crossings. And it will explore a key question. Was the Emergencies Act a government overreaction or necessary to restore order in the nation's capital? The act is only to be used in the event of a national emergency. The Act defines a national emergency as an urgent, temporary, and critical situation that seriously endangers the health and safety of Canadians, or seriously threatens the government's ability to preserve the sovereignty, security, and territorial integrity of Canada.
We are talking about a very high threshold, whether it's, espionage, violent extremism, or subversion, or, other kind of very major serious threats.
Protest organizers say the government overreached.
At no time did this convoy in Ottawa meet those standards. It was a completely inappropriate use.
The government insists the danger and the damage went far beyond Ottawa.
The incredible and devastating damage that was done to public safety at ports of entry in the form of interruption to trade and travel, the interruption to supply chains.
The inquiry commissioner is Paul Rouleau. He's spent 20 years as a judge in Ontario. In a statement, Rouleau says, "I am committed to ensuring the process is as open and transparent as possible." But it's unclear if the government will release cabinet documents related to its decision.
Mr. Speaker, that inquiry will be useless unless they waive cabinet confidence and allow Canadians to know the whole story.
The government insists Rouleau will have broad powers and access.
The ability to compel witnesses and to compel the production of documents, subject as always to lawful privileges of evidence that may exist.
Rouleau has until next February to report his findings. Ross Lord, Global News.